Assalamualaikum and welcome back. I am so excited to teach you these amazing English words today. Are you ready to begin?
Start. Begin. Commence. Help. Assist. Facilitate. Ask. Inquire. Interrogate. End. Finish. Conclude. Tell. Explain. Elaborate. Buy. Purchase. Acquire. Use. Employ. Utilize. Make. Create. Construct. Check. Inspect. Scrutinize. Fix. Repair. Restore. Say. State. Declare. Show. Demonstrate. Illustrate. Look. Observe. Examine. Need. Require. Necessitate. Cut. Slice. Sever. Keep. Maintain. Preserve. Stop. Halt. Cease. Change. Alter. Transform. Get. Receive. Obtain. Win. Succeed. Triumph. Happy. Glad. Ecstatic. Sad. Unhappy. Miserable. Smart. Clever. Ingenious. Big. Large. Enormous. Small. Little. Minuscule. Fast. Quick. Rapid. Slow. Sluggish. Lethargic. Good. Fine. Excellent. Bad. Poor. Atrocious. Easy. Simple. Effortless. Strong. Powerful. Mighty. Weak. Frail. Feeble. Bright. Shiny. Radiant. Dark. Dim. Obscure. Tired. Sleepy. Exhausted. Cold. Cool. Freezing. Hot. Warm. Scorching. Scared. Afraid. Terrified. Brave. Bold. Courageous. Angry. Upset. Furious. Love. Like. Adore. Hate. Dislike. Detest. Work. Job. Occupation. Home. House. Residence. Talk. Speak. Converse. Write. Record. Document. Read. Study. Peruse. Walk. Stroll. Wander. Run. Jog. Sprint. Jump. Leap. Vault. Think. Reflect. Contemplate. See. notice, perceive, hear, listen, discern, touch, feel, sense, smell, scent, fragrance, taste, flavor, savor, start, initiate, launch, end, terminate, culminate, move, shift, relocate, stay, remain, reside, want, wish, desire, try, attempt, endeavor, give, offer, contribute, take, grab, seize, put, place, position, bring, carry, deliver, call, contact, summon, meet, gather, assemble, show, present, exhibit, hide, cover, conceal, teach, instruct, educate, learn, study, master, lead, guide, direct, follow, pursue, comply, choose, select, opt, help, support, advocate, save, rescue, salvage, break, split, fracture, build, develop, establish, destroy, ruin, annihilate, clean, neat, spotless, dirty, messy, filthy, rich, wealthy, affluent, poor, needy, destitute, old, aged, ancient, young, youthful, juvenile, new, fresh, innovative, beautiful, pretty, gorgeous, ugly, unattractive, hideous, funny, amusing, hilarious, quiet, silent, tranquil, noisy, loud, deafening, calm, peaceful, serene, wild, crazy, savage, safe, secure, protected, dangerous, risky, perilous, true, real, genuine, false, wrong, deceptive, right, correct, accurate, wrong, mistaken, erroneous,